Welcome back. I'm Gabriel Nazarian from Apnico Academy. In the previous lesson, we talked about the idea evaluation process. We also learned we have two different categories for ideas. Number one, solve a new problem without a proper solution, and number two, making changes and modification in existing structures. Moreover, we talk about how to choose the best idea from a vast number of new ideas. Now we are talking about if your idea is related to the second category, how to improve the success rate. For this reason, try to answer these four questions. Number one, what is the main problem that the current solutions are not able to solve? For example, are they expensive? Are they difficult to use and need some extra training? Or not yet up to date with latest technology? Number two, who are my main competitors? List four of your main competitors that you think they have the most overlap with your services and write down the strengths of each. Question number three, why should people abandon their past solution and choose mine? What is the primary advantage of my offering? For example, cost reduction or ease of use. I listed essential criteria about creating competitive advantage. So try to give the below items a score from 1 to 5 according to your confidence. Nevertheless, in the marketing research section, we'll talk about it in more detail. Lower price. I can offer a product or service at lower price than my competitors. Higher access. My product or service can use anywhere at any time. Ease of use. My product interface designed to use even by my grandparents. Better design. The design and packaging of my new product is better than competitors and suitable for consumer needs. Less time to learn. The user will spend less time to learn than existing products or solutions. Number four, what is the main competitive advantage of my product? By following those steps, you will most likely choose your idea from a vast number of ideas. For choosing the best idea, I list other essential factors in the below list. Do's. Learn more about your industry as much as you can. Learn more about your customers as much as you can. Don'ts. Avoid choosing an idea that does not have a large market. Avoid choosing an idea that you can describe easily, and avoid choosing an idea that does not suitable your taste and skills. In the next lesson, we are going to talk about market research. So see you in the next one. Thank you for watching me.